Dear students, today we shall start problem number 2, exercise 6.4, triangles, NCERT book, class 10. Now the problem 2 given, diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB equal to 2 times of CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. So first we construct the triangles, this triangle ABCD, and given AB parallel CD, DC, AB parallel DC, and diagonals AC and BD intersect at the point O. And also given AB equal to 2 times of CD, this length 2 times of this, and we have to find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. What is the ratio of these two triangles? Now solution we consider. Given that the diagonals AB, AC and diagonals AC and BD of the trapezium ABCD intersect each other at the point O. If AB equal to 2 times of CD, to find area triangle AOB by area triangle COD. We have to find this area and this area, their ratios. We have to find this. Now proof. We consider the proof. We consider these two triangles. Actually our requirement, this and this, we consider AOB and COD. From triangles AOB and triangle COD, we have, so what we have, these two triangles and AB and DC parallel. So we can write from these two triangles, this angle and this angle are equal. Also we can write this angle and this angle are equal. From triangle AOB and COD, we have angle OAB equal to angle OCD, since alternate angles, alternate interior angles. So we know these two angles are equal because these two are parallel. So again, angle OBD equal to angle ODC, since alternate interior angles. These two are equal. So if these two triangles, this angle equal to this angle equal to this, obviously these two are equal. So therefore triangle AOB similar triangle COD by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. So if these two triangles are similar, then we can write. So if these two triangles are similar, then we can write area triangle AOB equal to area triangle COD equal to this side by this side whole square. We can write AB, we can write AB by DC, AB by DC or CD, AB by CD whole square. This is, we know the theorem, areas of triangles, ratio of the areas of triangles of two similar triangles are equal to square of the ratio of their sides, corresponding sides. Since, so you have to write this logic on right hand side, because in geometry we should write the, why this one equal to this, we should write this. Since the ratio of the two similar triangles since the ratio of the areas, since the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So this is our theorem. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. We know this. So we can write this area by this equal to this by this whole square. Again, we know the value of AB. AB equal to 2 times of CD. This one given, putting AB equal to 2 times of CD. Since AB equal to 2 CD and CD cancel, we get 2 by 1 whole square. This is 4 by 1. We get this. Therefore, finally we write area triangle AOB is to area triangle COD equal to 4:1, and this is the final answer. Now we consider problem number 3. In problem number 3 given in figure 6.44, triangle ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, show that area of triangle ABC, area of triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. We have to show this. So this is our triangle ABC. ABC and DBC. Their common base is BC. Common base BC and AD intersect. This AD intersect BC at O. So we have to show. So these two triangles ABC and DBC, these two, their ratio equal to AO by DO. Now solution is start. Solution. So solution, we consider this solution. So given ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, to show area triangle ABC by area triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. This is we have to prove. Now consider construction. We draw perpendicular. This is AP perpendicular BC and DQ perpendicular BC. We draw AP perpendicular BC and DQ perpendicular BC. Now proof we consider. From triangle AOP and DOQ, from triangle AOP and triangle DOQ, AOP DOQ. So what we get in these two triangles, this angle equal to this angle. Why equal? Because each of these 90 degree. So we can write angle APO equal to angle DQO, since each equal to 90 degree. And also we can write these two are also equal. Angle AOP equal to angle DOQ. These two are equal because vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. So in these two triangles, we consider this triangle and this triangle, we get this angle equal to this angle equal to this, others ultimately equal. So we can write, therefore triangle AOP similar, triangle AOP similar triangle DOQ by AA similarity, by AA similarity criterion. So these two are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then we can write AP by DQ, AP by DQ equal to AO by DO. AP by DQ equal to AO by DO. So this is number 1 we consider. Why these two are equal? Since corresponding sides of two similar triangles are proportional. So we know this condition, corresponding sides of two similar triangles are proportional. So we can write AP by DQ, AO by DO. This is number 1. So again, area of these two triangles, area triangle ABC by area triangle DBC. ABC, first we consider ABC. We know base by height, half into BC into AP, and area of triangle DBC, this is also base into half into base into height. This is half into base into height is DQ. We get this because base is common. Now half cancel, BC cancel, we get AP by DQ. AP by DQ. Again AP by DQ already we know, AO by DO. This is AO by DO. This is using 1. So this is our proof. So at last we get this one. Therefore area triangle ABC by area triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. So this is our proof. Short. So this is the complete proof of the given problem. So dear students, so I think this solution is very easy. If you are feeling easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video and click the bell icon. Thank you.